You ever wonder what it's like to be at the edge of your limits and see the world crumble around you? Tonight, I'm taking you on a journey that most people could never survive, a story that will make you question everything you think you know about reality. It begins in the most ordinary place you can imagine. A small, quiet town, streets empty at night, the kind of town where everyone knows your name, but not your secrets. That night, something stirred, something ancient, something people had whispered about for decades, but never truly seen. Our protagonist, someone just like you, was walking home when they first felt it. A chill crawling up their spine, an instinctive warning that they were not alone. At first, they dismissed it. Everyone does. Ignoring it feels safer, like pretending the storm outside doesn't exist. But some storms aren't meant to be ignored. The wind picked up, carrying with it a sound. Not just any sound, but a low, rhythmic whisper that seemed to echo directly inside their mind. It wasn't language as we know it. It was older, sharper, and somehow demanding. They tried to run, but their legs froze. The streetlights flickered. Shadows moved in ways shadows shouldn't move. And then it appeared. Not like a person, not like a beast, but something in between. Something that warped reality itself. Its eyes, or what passed for eyes, locked onto them, and the world went silent. Time stretched. Every heartbeat thundered like a drum in an empty cavern. In that moment, our protagonist understood. They were witnessing something humanity was never meant to see. Most people would scream. Most people would run. But not them. Something about this presence called to them, pulled them forward. Step by step, they followed, down alleys that twisted unnaturally, into spaces that shouldn't exist. Walls seemed to breathe. The air tasted like metal and smoke. And then, they reached a door that shouldn't have been there. Its surface shimmered, reflecting not the world around it, but a place beyond comprehension. And the whispers grew louder. They didn't say, "Come in." They said, "You've been chosen." Inside, the world changed completely. Gravity felt different. Colors shifted in impossible ways. Shapes twisted and reformed as if the universe itself was bending around them. And, standing in the center, was a figure. Tall, cloaked, its face hidden, but its presence alone radiated power. It spoke, though no lips moved. Words formed directly in their mind. Do you understand the cost of curiosity? Curiosity, that simple, innocent human trait. But in this place, it had a price. One wrong move, one wrong thought, and the consequences were permanent. And yet, they couldn't stop. Humans rarely can. Curiosity drove them forward, deeper into the unknown. Each step revealed truths most minds couldn't hold. The nature of reality, the fragility of existence, the illusions we cling to like life rafts in a stormy sea. They saw worlds overlapping, moments happening all at once, people they knew existing in impossible ways. Some smiled at them, some screamed, and all of them watched. Time passed, or maybe it didn't. They couldn't tell, but they learned something terrifying. The universe isn't neutral. It's watching, judging, feeding on those who wander too far from the path. And now they were marked. The figure approached. One hand reached out, not to harm, but to show. And it was a single object, small, ordinary, yet impossibly heavy with meaning. A key, not a key to a door, but a key to understanding. And with understanding came choice. The choice to see everything, or to forget everything and return to ignorance. Most would choose ignorance. Comfort is easier than truth. But our protagonists didn't. They took the key, and instantly their mind opened. Memories that weren't theirs. Secrets that weren't meant to be known. Knowledge that could destroy or save. They understood the nature of fear, the reason behind every shadow, every whisper in the dark. But understanding comes at a cost. The longer they stayed, the more the world outside became a blur, fading like a dream at dawn. Friends, family, the life they knew, slipping away. And yet, the pull of truth was irresistible. They couldn't go back, not really. Not after seeing what lay beneath the surface of reality. And so they wandered, through worlds, through thoughts, through shadows. Every corner revealed another layer of the universe, another puzzle. A. Another secret. And with each revelation, the whispers grew stronger, reminding them that knowledge is a double-edged sword. One edge can save you, the other can destroy everything you love. By the time they emerged, if you can call it emerging, they were changed. Not just in mind, but in being. The world looked the same, but they saw through it. They knew the hidden structures beneath, the rules that governed existence, the forces that most people never notice. And they carried a burden that no one could ever understand. Some nights, when the wind howls just right, they feel it again. The presence that called them, the whispers that guided them. And they know it's still out there, waiting for the next curious soul to wander too far, to seek the truths that should remain hidden. So, I ask you, what would you do if you were in their place? Would you dare to follow, to see what no one else can see? Or would you turn away, pretend it never happened, live comfortably in ignorance until curiosity finds you anyway? Because curiosity doesn't ask permission. Curiosity doesn't care about fear. Curiosity will find you, eventually. And when it does, will you be ready to face what lies beyond the shadows? Days passed, or maybe it was months. Time had lost all, wretched, strained, threatened to break. And yet, they pressed on, driven by a force deeper than fear, deeper than reason, a need to know, to truly understand the hidden architecture of existence. Then, the final test came, not in a place, but in a choice. Before them appeared two paths. One was lighted, comforting, familiar. The world they had left behind, ordinary and safe. The other path descended into darkness, twisting and endless, filled with the unknown, with secrets that could shatter everything they had ever believed in. And in that moment, they understood the ultimate truth. Some journeys have no return. Once you step beyond the veil, you cannot unsee what you've seen. Ignorance is a blessing. Curiosity is a curse. But the heart, once awakened, rarely rests. They chose, not the safe path, not the comfortable one. They stepped into the darkness, letting the whispers guide them. Every step was agony and ecstasy intertwined. Reality warped, bent, and reshaped itself around them. They saw the universe as a living, breathing entity, vast, infinite, terrifying, beautiful. And they realized they were not just a spectator anymore. They were part of it, a thread in the endless tapestry, woven into the fabric of existence itself. And when they finally emerged, if emerging is even the right word, they were not the same. Their eyes held galaxies. Their mind held centuries of knowledge. Their soul carried both wonder and horror in equal measure. They could never return to the ordinary world, for it would always feel small, hollow, incomplete. Some nights, when the wind carries a strange note or the shadows stretch too long, they remember the whispers. They remember the choice, the cost, the journey. And they know one day it will call again. Another curious soul will wander too far. Another mind will awaken to the truths hidden behind a veil. And when it does, will you answer? Because curiosity doesn't forgive. Curiosity doesn't forget. Curiosity waits, patient, relentless, eternal. And one day it will find you.